Hello food fans, we're going to have a breakfast today, weekend breakfast, big breakfast, 2 eggs. Eggs are now about 98 cents a dozen here in the Nashville area, and it's still a low price, but they've gone up a lot since the COVID thing started. We're going to have some wheat toast, whole wheat bread costs $1.79 for the 1.5 pound loaf. And that's quite a bargain. That's from Aldi. This is from Kroger. Hash browns. I'm going to fry up some hash browns. And we shall also have some vegetarian bacon, the Morningstar bacon strips, which I do like. So, without further ado, let's get started. We shall begin with the pan, which has some non-stick spray and some olive oil in it. And I'm going to add, first of all, the potatoes, because these take a little bit longer to cook than the bacon strips, which are vegetarian bacon strips. And also the eggs will go in a little bit later. And you get about 10 servings from a bag that costs $1.79, so less than 20 cents a serving. I'll have an extra large serving of the hash brown potatoes. We'll let that cook for a little bit. While this is cooking, I'm going to have my first little treat. I'm going to have some orange juice. Came from Aldi's, and I think this cost about $1.89 for a half gallon. Actually, it's not even a half gallon. It's 1.85 quarts, so slightly less than half a gallon. It looks like you're cutting down on the size. And I'll have the orange juice as a treat while I'm cooking, and then when I actually eat, I will have coffee for a beverage. I shall flop the potatoes over. Get the brown side down. Brown is down. And these do taste just like the hash browns that you would find at a fast food place. I'm going to put in a couple of these Morningstar Veggie bacon strips. They look something like bacon. And they taste a lot like bacon. And kids, parents, be sure to keep your kids away from the stove. I'll put that one in there. And then straighten them out. And a little bit later we'll put in the eggs. These vegetarian bacon strips I do recommend. Not sure how they compare financially with regular bacon. I shall now flip the bacon that is not bacon over. Not sure what they put in this. I'm not sure if it's more healthful or less healthful than regular bacon. But it definitely tastes good. And get ready to put the eggs in here in a minute or so. The eggs take probably 4 or 5 minutes total cooking time. And you cook it longer if you want the yolk not to run. And we'll let that cook for a little bit. And now I will add the eggs. I'll just flip this over a little bit there. And you can cook this in the microwave, the bacon, the fake bacon, cooks up very well. And it tastes, as I said before, like the real thing. I'll let that out of there, and we got room for the eggs. Get that one little potato. Put it over there. Get back over there, bud. And some large eggs, and they'll make noise. Okay. And I recommend washing your hands after you touch raw eggs, after you've opened the raw eggs. Wash your hands. Let that cook. And it's been a couple of minutes here. The eggs have been in there, and I shall flip them over, hopefully. And the bacon wants to stay right there, so I'll slide this back. And we broke the yellow, the yolk. But that will taste very good. And I also have some toast already. So let that finish cooking, and we'll get ready to eat. We will get ready to eat. And we are now ready to eat. I have 2 slices of toast here. There's 2 more slices in the toaster. We will hear that pop up in a moment. And first 2 slices are for use with the egg, or eggs, and the vegetarian bacon. And I'm just going to take a portion of that right here, put onto the first slice of toast, and fold it over. And got some coffee here also, instant coffee, very cheap, probably 10 cents a cup. There's a toast. I've never been to Starbucks. It tastes good. It tastes just as good as the breakfast you'll get in a restaurant. And if you can't go to a restaurant, if you're in a lockdown situation, make it yourself. You'll be very, very happy. And the hash browns also taste good. Whatever you're doing, take a break for a nice breakfast or a lunch or a supper, whatever. Food makes other things seem a little bit better, less stressful. Oh, we will have a secret ingredient for the toast, not these first 2 slices. I usually do not eat a big breakfast, but I like to eat more on the weekends than during the week. It's hot outside today, by the way. About 93 is the expected high, 93 degrees Fahrenheit in Nashville today. The orange juice was good, and I think orange juice has healthful ingredients, vitamin C, I'm pretty sure. Eggs have iron. And protein. Hopefully soon the restaurants will be able to reopen with full service in all states. As far as I know, Ryan's Buffet is still closed. Been closed for several months. The fast food places have the drive-through service open. I don't know if they're losing a lot of money not having the regular restaurant open or not. More hash browns. If you want to see a YouTube video that has a smart horse, search for Smartest Horse Jim Key, Jimkey. For a smart dog, see if you can find Louie the dog. Louie could do nothing. Very hard to teach a dog how to do absolutely nothing. Just stay, and no matter what you say, it just stays there. My cat doesn't know any tricks at all yet, although she will sometimes set up on her back paws and look off into the distance like that. So maybe she's aware of something. I've seen some videos at YouTube that show cats that react about a half a minute before an earthquake. This tastes very, very, very good. If you like to watch free movies, imdb.com, Internet Movie Database, imdb.com, has free movies. Some of them are pretty good. And the format is about the same as Amazon Prime, if you've tried that. And Amazon Prime seems to be the main advertising sponsor for the movies at IMDb. Very good. Before I eat the rest of this, I'll grab the toast and we'll see the surprise ingredients, secret ingredients. I have a slice of toast. I really recommend whole wheat bread. It's more expensive. Grape jelly on slice number 1. Strawberry preserves on slice number 2. We'll get some grape jelly here. And I've read what the difference is between preserves and jelly and jam, but I couldn't tell you what it is. ever need that information. So here's the grape jelly, and I have grape jelly just about every single day as part of my breakfast. So if they find out grape jelly is bad for you, I'm in trouble. If they find out grape jelly is good for you, then my beliefs will be reinforced. There's grape jelly on the toast. And I'll eat some of the strawberry preserves on the other slice of toast. And then go back to my regular breakfast. Without making the video too long to see what ingredients I'm using. So here's strawberry preserves. They have wild strawberries in Tennessee, very tiny, but they grow just about everywhere, and you can eat them. I'll soon have more grapes. They're getting almost ready to serve. Here's the strawberry preserves. Strawberry preserves taste very, very, very good. And this makes for a big meal. I have 2 eggs, hashed brown potatoes, toast, vegetarian bacon, and 2 slices of toast with strawberry preserves and grape jelly. Back to my regular breakfast. This is good. This is filling. Probably good for me, but I don't know. And probably nobody knows, because every day they discover something new, so they'll find out this is good for you or it's bad for you. If you like it, eat it. And I thank you very much for watching.